So go back to our business guys. For the purpose of this video, ngayon live ako magta-transfer ng coins or tokens na XRP from my Binance wallet going to my GCrypto account. What's up guys? For today's video, I'm gonna walk through you on how to transfer a coins or tokens from Binance Exchange wallet going to your GCrypto account. In addition to that, I'm gonna give you some tips para maging successful yung transaction nyo. So guys, sa hindi pa nakapanood kung paano mag-transfer ng coins or tokens from GCrypto going to Binance wallet, I'm gonna put the link in the description of this video para hindi na kayo mahirapan sa paghanap ng video. And disclaimer lang guys, I'm not a financial advisor. So this video is not for financial advice. So please do your own research about cryptocurrency prior to make a decision. So go back to our business guys. For the purpose of this video, ngayon live ako magta-transfer ng coins or tokens na XRP from my Binance wallet going to my GCrypto account. So without further ado, let's dive in. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa homepage ng GCash application. Just tap the view all icon. Hover down the page, tap the GCrypto icon. Wait lang natin while it's loading. Okay guys, this is the user interface of GCrypto. Ang gagamitin natin ngayon na token or coins na itatransfer papunta sa Binance Wallet ay XRP. So walang XRP dito sa homepage. So just tap the see more. Then look for the XRP token. So this is the XRP token. So just tap. May makikita kayo na arrow up and arrow down. Since na magre-receive tayo ng XRP, so just tap the arrow down, receive. So we will copy this XRP address and then ipipaste natin doon sa Binance wallet. So just tap the copy address. Alright, address successfully copied. And then punta tayo sa Binance application. This is the user interface of Binance Exchange wallet. So just tap the wallets and then look for the XRP. As you can see guys, I have 224.77 na XRP. So magta-transfer tayo ng 100 na XRP papunta sa GCrypto account ko. Alright? So tap lang natin tong withdraw. Then tap send via crypto network. On the top, just paste the address. Select the network repoll. And then, ikakopy natin yung tag doon sa GCrypto account natin na XRP. Balik lang tayo sa GCrypto. 339138. And then, the amount of XRP, just type 100. The network fee, guys, is 0.20 XRP lang. Kapag ika-convert natin to sa peso, it's just around 5 pesos lang. So tips lang guys, kinakailangan, advice ko lang na yung address natin kailangan tama para ma-avoid natin yung problema sa transaction. So i-double check lang natin yung first 3 character ng address and then the last 3 character. The first 3 characters ng address are RLR. So double check natin doon sa GCash account. RLR. So tama. Balik tayo sa Binance. And then the last 3 characters, PMA, double check natin. PMA, so tama. So balik tayo sa Binance. And then tap na natin yung withdraw. So I'm gonna receive 99.80 XRP. Then tap confirm. And then, nagre-require ng security verification requirements. Isi-select natin yung email. Then, tap get code. Wait natin ma-receive yung code from my email address. Here is the verification code. So, just copy. Then, go back to Binance. paste, and then next verification, phone number, get code. So ipipaste ko lang yung code na na-receive ko sa registered mobile number ko. 682483. Alright, withdrawal processing na. To confirm, so tap ko lang tong view history. Now, the processing is ongoing. In a seconds or minutes, ay marireceive ko ng tokens doon sa G-Crypto account ko. So, back lang natin. Refresh. Check natin kung nabawasan na ba yung XRP. Kanina, nasa 224 to. So, refresh lang natin. Tap lang natin tong XRP. Alright guys, as you can see, my XRP now, it's 124. Kanina, nasa 224 ito. Now, I'm gonna check my G-Crypto account. So, just log in. Just tap view all. Tap G-Crypto. So, tingnan natin kung nag-reflect na nga ba. Alright guys, as you can see, my XRP now have a value 99.80, and then in peso, it's 2,626 pesos. Alright, ganun lang kadali guys mag-transfer ng coins or tokens from Binance Wallet going to G-Crypto account. So guys, kapag bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please do subscribe, likes, and share my video and hit the bell icon below para ma-notify ka sa mga bagong video ko. Thank you for watching.